Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. We to the market yesterday. Option C is the correct answer. Question 2. She has a beautiful dress. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. There are many books on the shelf. Option C is the correct answer. Question 4. I to learn English. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. He is a letter now. Option D is the correct answer. Question 6. Neither of the boys going to the party. Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. Each of the girls a book. Option B is the correct answer. Question 8. I tennis on Sundays. Option C is the correct answer. Question 9. The train at 5 p.m. Option B is the correct answer. Question 10. If he hard, he will pass. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. She for work already. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. I eaten my lunch before you arrived. Option C is the correct answer. Question 13. He always his homework on time. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. You leave early today. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. My friend to Canada next week. Option C is the correct answer.